Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work and exposing hidden structure. Save a copy, then turn on formatting marks so you can see page and section breaks. You need section breaks where numbering must change. Insert them via layout breaks next page. Once done, make sure the correct section contains the content you want numbered. This prevents unwanted continuity. You proceed now because page numbering depends on clear sections rather than global settings. That distinction is now you enter headers and footers to place numbers. Double-click the top or bottom to open header and footer, then insert page number and pick position. This creates the field. Next, choose page number format page numbers to set numbering style and start at a specific number if needed. Crucially, turn off link to previous for that section so numbering doesn't inherit from the prior section. You do this because unlinking isolates numbering rules between sections, giving you precise control. Finish by updating fields and validating results. Select All Ctrl+A and press F9 so Word recalculates page numbers and cross-references. This often fixes ghost errors. If a section still misbehaves, confirm you used a next page section break. Continuous breaks can merge headers and spoil numbering. If numbers jump, open Format Page Numbers and restart at the desired value after ensuring link to previous is off. If problems persist, reapply the unlinked step and restart numbering for that specific section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.